My name's Anish Taraya. I'm from the Brooklyns, and that's Shamant Manakame. He's a photographer and he takes really good photos, so you should definitely follow him on Instagram. It's a beautiful day in Reykjavik, kind of beautiful, but yeah, this is our KuKu Campers. This is what we've been travelling throughout Iceland in for about 12 days, so it does look scruffy, but it is nothing less than sexy. This is where we sleep. The door slides away like so. As you can see, that we've got a lot of luggage in there, so what we do before going to bed is that we transfer all our luggage into the front compartment and onto the seats and into the footwell. We push the seats forward as much as possible to create as much room back in there, and then we jump into our sleeping bags and sleep. It gets really cold, so we do advise you to get, mattresses and an additional heater. KuKu Campers do supply that, but we were traveling raw, absolutely rugged, doing it like how all the young people do it, young, dumb and wild. At the back is a kitchenette, so we've got two split doors that open widely enough, and then as you can see there is a board that serves as a table. We've got a gas canister, so we've got flame all the time. Utensils, glasses, all supplied by KuKu Campers. So you can occasionally cook some coffee, make some coffee, sorry, cook some hot food, and then push it all the way into these tubs, and this is where we store our food as well. It gets really cold in Iceland, so you can actually get stuff that doesn't last too long, and it will last long in Iceland. On the other end, since KuKu Campers are a bit wacky that way, we've got a bit of wacky art on the side. You can choose different types of decals on the website, just for a bit of fun. And yeah, that's it. We really hope you have a great trip in Iceland. With KuKu Campers, of course, you should definitely go with them. They're so flexible, they're so nice, really good service. So yeah, definitely recommend KuKu Campers from the Brooklyns.